Education is not just about learning, it's about growing, performing, and expressing. Annual function celebrates the holistic development of every child, a journey from classrooms to the center of the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Every event begins with the blessings and presence of our special guest. Today, we are honored to have among us MD Sir, a respected educationist and a committee leader, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, directors, mentors, friends, and family. We extend a heartfelt welcome to you all on behalf of our entire class 12th R, presenting the topic social media.
A dream becomes a goal when actions are taken towards its achievement. The stage is set, the lights are shining, and excitement is in the air. So let's begin with the introduction of our topic.
Social media, a digital representation of an individual interest that showcases its interest and brand online. Now get ready for the prayer and join your hand, close your eyes and repeat after Lavish.
Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been, broken up into fragments, by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out, from the depth of truth, where the mind is led forward, by thee, into ever widening, thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Before we step into the day's excitement, let's pause for a moment of reflection with the thought of the day that reminds us to make wise choices both online and offline.
Your social media profile is your voice in the digital world. Use it not just to be seen, but to be remembered for the right reason. Thank you.
In today's world, where timelines tells our stories and post paints our personality, upright we are having a group discussion on very idea, social media, a reflection of our character. Let's hear what young mind have to say about the powerful connection between online and the real selves.
Social media has transformed the way we learn, communicate, and even define ourselves. According to 2024 Statista report, over 5.1 billion people actively use social media worldwide. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook have become digital extensions to our identity. To begin, what exactly is social media's role in today's world?
Social media has evolved from a networking tool to a powerful global ecosystem. It connects people across continents, spread awareness, and provide opportunities for education, business, and creativity. Students can access online lectures, free learning platforms, and provide opportunity and global discussion, something impossible decades ago.
Indeed, yet no technology is perfect. Can someone explain both its advantages and disadvantages?
Certainly, it involves many advantages like instant connectivity, access to information, career visibility, and income generation. People promote their skills, share achievements, and build professional networks. However, the disadvantages are equally significant as misinformation, cyberbullying, addiction, and loss of privacy.
You mentioned income generation. How has social media created economic opportunities?
Social media has become a digital marketplace. According to Forbes 2023, top creators are earning over $100,000 per year. Meanwhile, micro-influencers are earning steadily with the help of brand collaboration, affiliate marketing, and content creation. Entrepreneurs are using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram to promote products at almost zero cost. For many people, these platforms have turned hobbies into full-time careers.
That's impressive. How does social media contribute to social awareness and education?
It plays a vital role in spreading awareness and promoting social causes. Movements like hashtag Save the Earth and hashtag Black Lives Matter began online and created global conversations on equality and justice. Citizen journalists have exposed corruption and unethical practices, proving that social media strengthens democracy. Educational platforms such as YouTube and LinkedIn Learning provide quality learning accessible to millions.
Every advantage carries a risk. What are the negative consequences, especially for youth?
Excessive use leads to addiction, distraction, and even accident. A 2024 Pew Research that teenagers spend 3 to 4 hours daily on social media. Many risk while attempting dangerous stunts for some viral videos. Several incidents in India have resulted death during game filming. Such behavior highlights awareness about safe and responsible usage.
An important point. Now, let's move to a professional perspective. How does companies and universities evaluate social media profile during recruitment or admissions?
Recruiters now treat social media as an informal resume. The LinkedIn Talent Report 2024 said that 70% of the recruiters screen online candidates before hiring. In 2017, Harvard University cancelled the admission of 10 students after discovering inappropriate exchange of messages between them in their private Facebook groups. Certainly, firms use tools like Neotas and Famo.ai to access candidates' digital footprint. Thus, we can say that our online behavior directly influences our academic opportunities.
That raises an important question about online ethics. What is the significance of maintaining a positive digital identity?
A responsible online presence reflects maturity and integrity. Before posting, one must consider, is it kind, is it true, is it necessary? Digital actions leave permanent traces. Hence, being respectful, factual and professional online is not only wise but essential in this interconnected world.
Excellent point. Finally, what conclusion can we draw from social media and our profiles?
Social media is neither entirely beneficial nor harmful. It depends upon how we use it. When used wisely, it becomes a source of learning, awareness and opportunities. When misused, it leads to distraction, awareness and opportunities. Our social media profile is a digital reflection of our real life values. It should represent who we truly are, informed, responsible and ethical individuals.
In a nutshell, social media is the most powerful mirror of modern society. It offers limitless possibility but also demands responsibility. Let us remember your social media profile is your digital resume. Build it with integrity, use it with wisdom and let it reflect your best self. Thank you.
जहाँ शब्दों की सीमा खत्म होती है, वहाँ से नृत्य की भावना शुरू होती है. Where words fall short, dance speaks. Our next presentation is a mesmerizing classical dance performance that beautifully blends rhythm, expression and tradition.
We become what we share. Your profile speaks before you do. So what happens when our posts start deciding our future? In a world ruled by reach and reaction, are we showing the real us? Let's find out in our next tag. Hashtag RealMe, a social media profile, a skit that shows how our online presence can shape our real world.
Scene 1. Sound of phone notifications. Vidhi is scrolling reels on her bed. It's 2 a.m.
Okay, just one reel and then pakka sleep. Look at this dancing parrot. Even this cat has more talent than me. What should I caption it? Hashtag no filter. Hashtag sleepless beauty. Hashtag rise and shine. Never. Send. Perfect. 487 likes before sunrise. World record coming. I should be sleeping.
Did someone hack your Instagram again?
No, Papa, it's worse. My followers will see my real face.
Vidhi, you were always on that phone. Study a little, get some sleep.
Mom, you never understand. Likes are life. Engagement is currency. After some time, I'll be earning from this.
Oh, really?
Vidhi, in our time, we earn respect, not followers.
In your time, respect had no Wi-Fi.
And that's how Vidhi's night went viral. For all the wrong reasons. Scene 2. Comment King. Kabir enters, scrolling on his phone in the bar, laughing to himself.
Oh look, another feeling blessed post. He looks more stressed than blessed. And here's another post. Best day ever? Mate, you're in a traffic jam. You should look at your audacity. Nice outfit. Did your curtains inspire it?
Kabir, you realize universities check profiles now?
Who cares? I'm just spreading laughter. And you know what they say? With great data comes great irresponsibility.
Oh look, Vidhi posted again. Hashtag no filter. Girl, stop capping.
Kabir, spreading joy, one insult at a time. Little did he know, the internet never forgets. Mr. Bansal, the university recruiter, is sitting in his office, analyzing paper. Raj is standing beside him.
Raj, next candidates, Vidhi Malhotra and Kabir Kher.
Here you go, sir.
Let's check their social media profiles first.
Sir, maybe you should look at the grade first.
Raj, grades are temporary, but screenshots are forever.
Oh yes, sir. Boss is always right.
Vidhi Malhotra, nice grades. What's this? A post at 2:47 a.m. Sleep is overrated.
Sir, maybe she's in night research on insomnia, I guess.
No. Here is another one. Life is a reel. Play a role. And this selfie with dark circles, she captioned it. Hashtag no filter. Hashtag RealMe. I can see why filters exist.
Here is another one, sir.
Kabir Kher. Ah, yes. Our comment king. Let's see. Teachers are the reason why coffee was invented. Wow. Motivation posts are scams. Interesting. Nice shirt, bro. My sofa misses its cover. Seriously, dark humor.
Sir, his dark humor will not be fit for our university. I suggest rejecting with extra caps lock.
Approved. Rejected.
Poor grade, one click, lifetime cakes.
Raj, schedule interviews with students who at least pretend to have a life offline.
As you wish, sir. After all, boss is always right.
Scene 4. Kabir and Vidhi meet at that part. Both look sad and dejected.
Hi Vidhi, what's up?
Oh hey Kabir, how's it going?
Well, I just got rejected from the college I was applying for.
Guess what? Same here.
They said your social media does not match our values.
My teacher showed my panda face post to the whole class. Everyone laughed.
Who knew our posts and selfies would come back to bite us?
I thought social media was about being popular, not about being responsible.
Yeah, it's like shouting in a megaphone. You never know who's listening.
Or watching your dark circles.
Or reading your funny comments before giving you a job.
Maybe it's time we post less and live more.
Yeah, I think it's time that we should build a real profile, the one we don't need a filter for.
Let's do it.
Social media isn't bad, it's a mirror. But remember, what you show is what the world will know. So think before you post, because your profile speaks before you do. Thank you.
They say strings do not just make music, they express emotions. So let's sit back and enjoy the beautiful, enchanting instrumental guitar performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where fingers never stop scrolling and our minds never stop comparing, we often forget one simple truth, that life was meant to be lived and not just posted. Today we bring you a poem that holds a mirror to our digital world, a poem that speaks not against the social media, but for the humanity we sometimes lose vision in, presenting the scroll that stole our souls.
We live in a world of filters and frames where followers matter more than memes. A smiling face, a perfect feed, yet behind the glow, an unseen need.
We double tap love, we comment and care, but in real life, are we even there? We chase the likes, the hearts, the fame, forgetting connection is not a game.
We post our joy, we post our pain, we share our sunshine, hide our rain. Every story, every trend feels like it never wants to end.
A digital crowd, yet minds alone. 1,000 friends, but hearts of stone. We scroll through lives that look so bright, while losing our own in endless light.
But it's not all dark, it's not all fake. It helps some hearts that starts to break. It gives a voice, it builds a name. For dreams that sparks, it fuels our flames.
It connects the world, both near and far. Let's kindness travel where the words are. But when the screen becomes our own sky, real hugs and laughter start to die.
So pause that scroll and just lift your eyes. There's a world beyond the pixel skies. Talk, walk, feel and plug the why, and see the reasons behind your smile.
Because someday soon we will understand the best story is the one unplanned.
Likes will fade, but love will stay. If we live our life the real way. If we live our life the real way. Thank you so much.
Our next performance takes you straight to the code. Not for breaking rules, but for breaking reality. What happens if the social media itself becomes the judge? Presenting the social media code, a funny courtroom drama where your favorite apps take the witness stand and real life wins the case.
Court scene with Justice Internet sitting in middle, lawyer on the right side of the stage, along with Maya and a witness stand on the left.
Welcome to the Social Media Code, where likes can turn into evidence and your streaks might become your sentence.
Order in the court, or I'll turn off everyone's Wi-Fi. The court is in the session. The case, Maya versus the real world. Acquisition being online more than being alive.
Your Honor, the student has committed digital overexposure, caught scrolling at 2 a.m., posting at 2:05, and regretting it at 2:10.
That's called multitasking, not crime.
We'll see. Call the first witness. Instagram.
Your Honor, she treats me like oxygen, scrolling reels during exam, checking like before checking marks. She posts a motivation quote at 3 and cries at 3:05.
Classic symptom, addicted but inspirational.
Next witness. WhatsApp.
Beta, she is on my group but never replies. But forward everything from good morning to alien spotted in Agra. Even half of the time I don't know it's true.
So, she is socially active but factually absent.
Classic case of forward fever. Next. Snapchat. Snapchat.
Oh hey, I'm all about streaks. This girl sent blank pics daily just to keep numbers alive. And don't forget the filters. Puppy face, big eyes, rainbow vomit, emotional damage to the picture, Your Honor.
It's aesthetic.
Aesthetic? Even ghosts have filters now.
Enough of streaks and squeaks. Bring in LinkedIn.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am the platform of productivity, but this user, she logs in only when exam results come out. Last week she posted, honored to complete 12 board exams. Great teamwork with caffeine and penny. Hashtag growth, hashtag hardworking, hashtag still recovering. At least she is learning to celebrate real efforts, not just victors.
Finally, someone who knows difference between progress and posing.
So, the defendant is a mix. Dramatic, distracted, but developing.
Exactly. I'm learning to balance both the worlds, online and offline. So am I free now?
I have scrolled through enough, but the evidence shows fun, drama, filter, and fake news, but also laughter and creativity.
So, what is the punishment, Your Honor? Lifetime ban on selfies?
No, the punishment is 1 week of real life.
What? No phone?
Yes, talk to the real people because every teen today lives online, but the real one learns when to log off.
That's worse than jail, Your Honor.
Case closed, battery drained, lesson charged.
And with that, dear audience, was the social media code, where filters were found guilty, streaks were sentenced, and hashtags were humbled. But beyond the jokes, there's a truth we can't scroll past. We are so busy updating our stories that we forget to live them. We chase the likes but skip the laugh, send emojis instead of emotions, and talk online while staying silent in real life. Maybe it's time to log out for a while, to look around instead of just looking down at screens, to talk, not text, and to connect for real. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a world full of swipes, likes, and follows, there's only one account that does not need a filter. Our teachers. Social media gives us trends, but they give us values. It gives us followers, but they give us direction. And today, through our act, following their footsteps, we honor the real influencers of our life. In this act, as each teacher's picture comes up, we'll share the qualities we want to follow from them. Because their lessons shouldn't just stay in our notebooks, they should stay in our character. So sit back and feel the love, because following their footsteps is not just a performance, it's our thank you.
Our deepest thanks to our Managing Director Dr. P.S. Sudhan for creating an environment where dreams were encouraged and excellence was expected. From you, sir, we take forward the lesson of hard work, vision, courage to think big.
We are equally grateful to our Director General, Mrs. Suren Sudhan, for her constant support, care, and commitment to our growth. From you, ma'am, we learn compassion, perseverance, and the importance of nurturing every dream.
We sincerely thank our respected principal, ma'am, Dr. Nimfa Sudhan Reddy, whose guidance, discipline, and belief in us shaped not just our academics but our character. From you, ma'am, we learn to lead with grace, stay strong in tough times, and always believe in our potential.
And now we have Bajwa ma'am, the boss lady, presenting the woman who can silence a whole corridor with just one look. Our boss lady, Bajwa ma'am. She is the vice principal, automatically authoritative, but she loves us like a mom, automatically our favorite. When we mess up, her strict mode switches on, but she forgets just as fast. Every scolding turns into a life lesson we needed. Her punishments are legendary. While other teachers give time out, Bajwa ma'am plays maar diya jaye ya chhod diya jaye. Strict when needed, soft at heart, and unforgettable always. That's our boss lady. From you, ma'am, we'll follow confidence with humility, maturity in consequences, learning from mistakes, and always bouncing back stronger.
And next comes our Dingra sir, the calm watcher. Some teachers teach loudly and some teach simply by presence. Our next teacher belongs to the second kind, the calm watcher, Dingra sir. Calm steps, folded hands, a gaze that holds the entire school's discipline. He didn't need to shout out. His silence had its own authority. We saw him the warmth the day he stepped into our class and chose to guide, not to scold. His wisdom is quiet. And from you, sir, we will be following grounded wisdom, quiet watchfulness, guidance without noise.
Next is Shaina ma'am, the mentor mom. Next comes the woman who scolds us at 9 a.m. and saves us at 9:05. Our mentor mom, Shaina ma'am. Her attendance rules are stricter than airport security. 1 minute late, boarding pass cancelled. Her legendary phone calls, so regular, we are planning to make a group recharge for her. But behind all that strictness is a mother's heart, protecting us and guiding us. Teaching business studies like we are future CEOs. From you, ma'am, we'll follow valuing rules, respecting time, and taking responsibility.
And next comes Rupali ma'am, the chill master. And now presenting the coolest vibe in the building. Our chill master Rupali ma'am. She teaches like a teacher, but still vibes us like with a classmate. Her laughs make us feel safe. Her side smile has our own heart. Sweet like sugar, but the moment she is angry, our class turns into a wildlife documentary. Her classic line, मैं पूरा दिन पढ़ाऊंगी, जिसको नहीं पढ़ना बाहर जाओ, lives in our memory rent free. She makes economics feel like a friendly conversation, not a subject. From you, ma'am, we will be following dedication to work, balancing sweetness with strictness, carrying positivity everywhere.
Next, Manju ma'am, the soft strong. Calm, pure, patient, and powerful without raising her voice. That's her soft storm, Manju ma'am. She teaches accounts like every minute matters. No chaos can shake her. No noise can distract her. Her patience is Olympic level. Even when we bunk, she gently escorts us to the vice principal's room, and somehow her 2% volume feels scarier than a 100% shout. Her kindness turns into guilt, into growth. So from you, ma'am, we'll follow, staying calm in chaos, using every minute wisely, speaking softly and solving patiently and caring deeply.
And next comes our Harpreet ma'am, Miss Know-it-all. And now the teacher who catches every secret plan before even we know it. Our Miss Know-it-all, Harpreet ma'am. She teaches English, yes, but she also teaches life. Bold, strong, confident, a true feminist. We are still confused if she is a teacher or working for wrong. Her scolding hit hard, but they hit right. And every story she tells stays with us like a moral compass. From you, ma'am, we will be following, standing up for what's right, speaking confidently, learning from life.
Next is Virender sir, the multiplier of minds. When Virender sir enters, the whole world goes quiet. Even the dust listens. That soft, peaceful voice. Math, but with therapy included. Confidence, not pressure. His signature line, until the job is not done, we keep on multiplying. And the anthem, ये ठीक हो गया, बच्चों, थोड़ा जल्दी करो. His calmness taught louder than any shout. From you, sir, we'll be following calmness that quiet chaos, patience that never wavers, and commitment till the job is done.
And next comes Rajni ma'am, the Kiara of happiness. Some teachers take attendance. She takes our moods and color them bright. Our Kiara of happiness, Rajni ma'am. She walks in like sunshine, wearing laughter as a jewelry. Half Disney fairy, half Chulbul Pandey of the art room. Her anger disappears in a second, but her love stays forever. She paints our world with joy, color, and warmth. From you, ma'am, we will be following joy in small things, learning with fun, being kind and colorful.
Next, Shalini ma'am, the Guru ma. And now, presenting the teacher who is tallest in Sur, our Guru ma, Shalini ma'am. She enters with her harmonium, does a little riyaz, and suddenly our class becomes a reality show audition, more noise, less talent. Innocent and sweet until Vishal starts. Then our class becomes Mahabharat, episode 101. But behind every nagging moment, it's pure love and sincerity, and a melody that holds our class together. From you, ma'am, we'll be following, speaking softly, respecting everyone, and being consistent.
And finally, the man who doesn't just teach us, but coaches us through life. Our coach Saab, Barar sir. Register in hand, checking uniforms, collecting 20 rupees late fees, like a sweet tax collector. One, chalo, 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 and the whole corridor moves like traffic. He saves us from trouble, laughs with us, guides us, and keeps discipline wrapped in kindness. From you, sir, I will be following, be kind, being kind and calm, helping quietly, keeping discipline with a smile.
And finally, those are the footsteps we follow. The boss lady, the calm watcher, the mentor mom, I don't think there is anybody out here, any teacher, any director, any parent, any children from whom we have not learned anything. So thank you so much teachers for your discipline, for your guidance, for your love and laughter, and for always walking ahead of us so that we could learn where to go. A big, big thanks. Thank you so much.
Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of expression. So get ready to tap your feet and feel the rhythm. As our talented performers are ready to present a vibrant group dance performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this. Ay, caramba!
बोलना
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Oh, चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, बस खाए पिए जिए क्योंकि जिंदगी है जान। अरे पगले पे करना, अरे पगले पे करना, अरे पगले पे करना। सुनो तो जरा हमको है ये कहना, वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना। सो गई रात जाके दिन है अब जाग उठा। आंखें बसंत का है सारा ये समा। आवाज़ें मिली लेती है बिड़ाइयाँ। Wake up, say, सारे मन पढ़े। Wake up, say, चलनी चले। Wake up, say, सब शाम आ रही है सकाल सकाल। सुनो 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 सुनो।
dear classmates, I will never forget all of you, the way we laugh and smile. At the same time, thank you so much to all members of us. This is the best section ever. Thank you.
As the curtains fall upon our class 12th era, this stage trembles with emotions too powerful to be understood. A voice carrying years of memories, pride, and a little heartbreak. Get ready for a farewell performance that will stay with you forever.
Director, Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am Bajwa, dear teachers, staff members, and my favorite people, my batchmates of class 12. Assalamualaikum
And namaste.
Have you ever walked into a place and suddenly felt like crying, even though nothing bad happened? That's how school feels today.
आज सब सेम है, सेम बिल्डिंग, सेम कॉरिडोर, सेम ग्राउंड, पर हम सेम नहीं है.
Honestly, our school life was full on web series, comedy, drama, suspense, और हर एपिसोड में मेरे फ्रेंड्स कंपल्सरी थे.
हम अलग अलग सेक्शन से आए, अलग रोल नंबर्स, अलग क्लासरूम्स, पर बेल बजते ही we became one gang.
ग्राउंड सिर्फ ग्राउंड नहीं था, इट वॉज अ थेरेपी. कॉरिडोर्स शॉर्टकट्स नहीं थे, वो मेमोरीज के रास्ते थे. आर टीचर्स केबिन के बाहर खड़े रहना ये सिर्फ पनिशमेंट नहीं था, ये एक एक्सपीरियंस था जो बिना बोले सब समझते हैं.
रोज यूनिफॉर्म पहन के आते थे, सेम बैग, सेम टाइम टेबल, और मन में एक ही थॉट होता था, बस दिन निकल जाए. पर पता ही नहीं चला कब ये रूटीन लाइफ की बेस्ट मेमोरीज बन गए.
क्लास के अंदर खाना, क्लास के अंदर सोना और टीचर्स के एंटर करते ही एक सेकंड में सीधा बैठ जाना. ये किसी CBSE सिलेबस में नहीं था, बट हमने मास्टर्स कर ली.
बंकिंग क्लासेस सिर्फ आदत नहीं थी, इट वाज अ लाइफ. और जब पूछा जाता था, इनोसेंट फेस ऑटोमेटिकली एक्टिवेट.
फाइल्स आ रही है दूरी पर, डायलॉग फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, कल पक्का कंप्लीट कर देंगे मैम. ईयर्स पास्ड, डायलॉग सेम ही रहा.
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का फेस तो लेजेंडरी था. कैमरा ऑफ, माइक म्यूट, बुक्स कम, गेम्स ज्यादा, और कह देना नेटवर्क इशू था मैम. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अनमैच्ड.
और फिर एक दिन हम स्कूल आए बिल्कुल नॉर्मल डेज की जगह, और अचानक अनाउंसमेंट हुई कि स्टूडेंट्स को तुरंत घर भेजें. उस दिन इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच वॉर सिचुएशन चल रही थी. टीचर्स थोड़े टेंस थे, कंसर्न उनकी आंखों में साफ दिख रहा था. हमें क्लियरली बोला गया, गो होम इमीडिएटली, सेफ्टी फर्स्ट. और हम एक दूसरे को देख के सोच रहे थे, हाफ डे पे स्कूल, इससे बेटर क्या ही हो सकता है. पर अब समझ आता है जब बात सेफ्टी की हुई थी, स्कूल हमेशा पेरेंट्स से पहले हमारे साथ खड़ा था.
डिसिप्लिन की बात हो और वाइस प्रिंसिपल बाजवा मैम का जिक्र ना हो, ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सीनियर विंग में आने के बाद बाजवा मैम का LKK फैक्टर, लोग क्या कहेंगे, सिर्फ वर्ड्स नहीं थे, एक माइंडसेट था.
उनके ऑफिस का एक विजिट हमें कम से कम एक हफ्ते तक तो डिसिप्लिन में रखता था. थोड़ा सा डर और उससे ज्यादा उनके लिए हमारे दिलों में रिस्पेक्ट. और ऑनेस्टली उनकी बातें हमारे साथ स्कूल के बाद भी चली.
फेयरवेल प्लानिंग में MD सर के ऑफिस के चक्कर कैसे भूल सकते हैं. असेंबली के गानों के लिए रोज ऑफिस जाना, रोज अप्रूवल्स के लिए वेट करना, इतने चक्कर लगाए कि क्लास तक आते आते हमारी आत्मा ही थक जाती थी.
इस पूरी जर्नी में सिर्फ टीचर्स ही नहीं थे, परवीन दीदी, जसविंदर भैया, लाइब्रेरियंस, गार्ड्स, टक शॉप और ऑफिस स्टाफ, सबके बिना स्कूल लाइफ इतनी स्मूथ नहीं होती.
और दोस्तों, चाहे हम सेम बेंच पे बैठे हो या नहीं, सेम सेक्शन के हो या नहीं, हमने साथ में स्ट्रेस लिया, साथ में हंसी मजाक किया,
और साथ में बड़े हुए. स्कूल सिर्फ पढ़ाई की जगह नहीं होता, स्कूल वो जगह होती है जहाँ हम खुद को पहचान सकते हैं.
कल हम अलग कॉलेजेस, अलग शहरों, अलग रास्तों पे होंगे, पर जब भी बेल की आवाज याद आएगी, जब भी दोस्तों की हंसी याद आएगी, नोज के पब्लिक स्कूल जरूर याद आएगा.
From bunking classes to building rings, from roll numbers to real identities, this place saw it all. And wherever life takes us next, a part of us will always stay right here.
थैंक यू टीचर्स, हमारी शरारतों के बाद भी हम पर भरोसा करने के लिए. थैंक यू नोज़ की पब्लिक स्कूल, क्योंकि यहाँ हम सिर्फ बड़े नहीं हुए,